Okay guys, it's been so my guys need to start talk this a bird a few saying to start talk too. Alright guys, so it's been a few more weeks and I told you guys that I was going out to get a jacket and I didn't get the jacket, so I was gonna try again another day. It's been a couple of days, isn't it? But yeah, I ended up ordering it online. I'm gonna like order jacket online because I don't know if it's gonna fit me and them something there. So like hopefully I'm not have to send it back. But yeah, I ordered it. It just came. Yeah, so I'm gonna open it now and see what it's a set. Alright. If you feel like it kinda bigger than me. But because I'm not my usual size, it's rained in the fall and the chair ain't wet. I'm gonna try if it's still on the part of the chair when it's wet. So yes, so more bag. Plan. Alright, cool again. Before what me turn to because the price band is also one different price from the price I'm paid. So we need to check the receipt. Okay. Well, the receipt says the amount I'm paid, but the price band is something else. You know, right? I have to go back. No, so this feel big. I'm going to push it back because I can't see. Nice, you know? Alright. It feels big, man. So the tag here, but it's a one different price from what I paid. So, wait, man. I don't know if to do them something here now. What is something? It is a gold digger belt bubble coat. Gold digger something here. Okay, so it has buttons as well as a zip. Let's say I want belt. Not how this open. Nobody can see it. I don't know how to it. How this open, people? I'm gonna dry it out. Oh, squeeze that's something here and it come off. Alright. Sun come out. It's kind of cool. So, let me get something here. I have it on with my hoodie and right anyways, so that's why I'm try it on with the hoodie. Guys, I can't put on a pound of weight in this. You guys? The body not tight enough. You cannot tight. I never come up on the hoodie underneath. I'm hot man and the sun just come out. So it has a zip. Oh, guys, my cousins are here. I don't know. But anyways, the hood is detachable as well. So you can just, like for the months when I really winter, I'm gonna really need a hood. I can just take it off like that and go with this. Like so. Alright guys, so now you know I went out to get a coat. I didn't get a coat. So now I had to buy it online. It's alright. It just because I have on the hoodie, ears feel kinda tight. But at least I have a coat. So when the place cold, I have freeze. So thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping up with us. Or with me since I'm new one. Alright, Mr. Soldier, my hat and sun are cold. The inside has this, it's really soft faux fur, really soft faux fur lining, and then this padded part here. So you can see me, you can hear me, yeah, but I like it. I'm wondering if I need to go up the size, you know, but you don't feel that tight for me. Go up a size, and if me go up a size, you don't think it's too big. Probably too big if I go up a size. Anyways, guys, comment down below how you think the coat look and all of that. See you guys in the next one. Bye.